Maritime ISR, eyes across the oceans. The ocean covers over 70% of our planet, vast, beautiful, and unpredictable. But beneath those waves, nations move fleets, submarines, and even drones that can alter the balance of power. That's where Maritime ISR, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, comes in. These are the eyes and ears that watch the world's waters. From high above in orbiting satellites to aircraft like the P-8 Poseidon, and from surface ships to undersea sensor networks, Maritime ISR helps navies see what's coming long before it arrives. Tracking ships across thousands of miles isn't easy. Radio silence, stealth coatings, and radar reflections make detection tricky. Even the ocean itself can interfere. Saltwater absorbs radar, and waves distort sonar. But technology keeps evolving. AI-driven radar processing, underwater drones, and global sensor grids now work together to build a living map of the world's oceans in real time. Maritime ISR doesn't just find the enemy, it keeps sea lanes open, tracks smugglers, aids disaster response, and helps scientists monitor marine environments. So the next time you look at the calm horizon, remember, someone, somewhere, is watching it carefully to keep it that way. If you enjoy learning how intelligence meets innovation, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us grow. And as always, keep looking up.